Hello mga KaMarksMan, it's me, Teacher Marks, and in this video, you will learn how to multiply numbers with and without regrouping. So, without further ado, let's begin. First example, what is 74 times 2? Here we have a two-digit number multiplied to a one-digit number. The first number, the number 74, is called the multiplicand. The multiplicand is the number to be multiplied. And the second number, the number 2, is called the multiplier. The multiplier is the number with which we multiply. So that is, you just need to multiply the multiplier to each digit in the multiplicand, starting from the ones place. So 4 times 2, that is 8. Next step, let's multiply our multiplier to the tens place in the multiplicand. So 7 times 2, that is 14. Therefore, 74 times 2, that is 148. Now, the result of the multiplication is called the product. So, multiplicand times multiplier is equal to the product. By the way, this example is an example of multiplication without regrouping. I hope that's clear. Next example, what is 64 times 9? So the first step, let's multiply our multiplier to each digit in the multiplicand, starting from the ones place, which is 4. So 4 times 9, that is 36. The 36 is a two-digit number, so we need to regroup it. Just write the number 6 below the ones column, and then just carry the number 3 at the top of the tens column. Next step, let's multiply our multiplier to the tens place in the multiplicand. So 6 times 9, that is 54, plus 3, that is 57. So you just need to add the number that you put at the top of the multiplicand. Therefore, 64 times 9 is equal to 576. I hope that's clear. Next example, what is 901 times 3? Here we have a three-digit multiplicand multiplied to a one-digit multiplier. So, let's follow the steps that we did earlier. Let's multiply our multiplier to each digit in the multiplicand, starting from the ones place. So, 1 times 3, that is 3. And 0 times 3, that is 0. And 9 times 3, that is 27. Since our product has more than 3 digits, let's put a comma between 2 and 7. Therefore, 901 times 3, that is 2,703. I hope that's clear. Next example, what is 847 times 63? This time, we have a three-digit multiplicand multiplied to a two-digit multiplier. So, the first step is multiply the ones place of the multiplier to each digit in the multiplicand, starting from the ones place, which is 7. So 7 times 3, that is 21. But 21 is a two-digit number, so you need to regroup it. So just write 1 below the ones column, and just carry 2 at the top of the tens column. Next, 4 times 3, that is 12, plus 2, that is 14. But 14 is a two-digit number, so we need to regroup it. So let's write 4 below the tens column, and just carry 1 at the top of the hundreds column. Next step, 8 times 3, that is 24, plus 1, that is 25. Now, this number, 2,541, is our first partial product. This is not our final answer, since we still need to multiply the tens place of the multiplier, which is 6, to each digit in the multiplicand, starting from 7. So 7 times 6, that is 42. But 42 is a two-digit number, so you need to regroup it. But the question is, where should you put the number 2? Should you put the number 2 below 1, below 4, below 5, or below 2? Since the number 6 is in the tens column, you should write the number 2 below the tens column, which is below the number 4. And then just carry number 4 at the top of the tens column. Next, 4 times 6, that is 24, plus 4, that is 28. But 28 is a 2-digit number, so you need to regroup it. So just write 8 below the hundreds column. And then just carry 2 at the top of the hundreds column. Next, 8 times 6, that is 48, plus 2, that is 50. Now this number, 5082, is our second partial product. And this is not our final answer. To get the final answer, you need to add the first partial product and the second partial product. Now, 1 plus nothing, that is equal to 1. And 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. And 5 plus 8, that is equal to 13. But 13 is a 2-digit number, so you need to regroup it. Now, if you don't have any idea how to add numbers with regrouping, I created a video about that. Kindly find the video link in the comment section below. So just write 3 below and just carry 1 at the top of this number 2. Next, 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. And then nothing plus 5 is equal to 5. Since our final answer has more than 3 digits, let's put a comma between this 3 and 3. Therefore, 847 times 63 is equal to 53,361. And this final answer is called the final product. So if you have more than 1-digit multiplier, you're going to have partial products. And the final answer is called the final product. I hope that's clear. Next example. What is 9,581 times 74? Here we have a 4-digit multiplicand multiplied to a 2-digit multiplier. So just follow the steps that we did earlier. First step, let's multiply the ones place of our multiplier to each digit in the multiplicand starting from the ones place. In this case, that is 1. So 1 times 4, that is equal to 4. And 8 times 4, that is equal to 32. But 32 is a 2-digit number, so you need to regroup it. So just write 2 below the tens column and just carry 3 at the top of the hundreds column. Next, 5 times 4, that is 20, plus 3, that is 23. Since 23 is a 2-digit number, you need to regroup it. Just write 3 below the hundreds column and just carry 2 at the top of the thousands column. Next, 9 times 4, that is 36, plus 2, that is equal to 38. Now, this number, 38,324, is not our final answer, since this is just our first partial product. And we still need to multiply the tens place of our multiplier to each digit in the multiplicand, starting from 1. So 1 times 7, that is equal to 7. Next, 8 times 7, that is 56. But 56 is a 2-digit number, so you need to regroup it. So just write 6 at the left of this number 7, and just carry 5 at the top of this number 5. Next, 5 times 7, that is 35, plus 5, that is 40. But 40 is a 2-digit number, so you need to regroup it. Just write 0 at the left of this number 6, and just carry 4 at the top of this number 9. Next, 9 times 7, that is 63, plus 4, that is 67. Now, this number, 67,067, is not our final answer, since this is just our second partial product. You still need to add the first partial product and the second partial product. So 4 plus nothing, that is equal to 4. And 2 plus 7, that is equal to 9. And 3 plus 6, that is equal to 9. And 8 plus 0, that is equal to 8. And 3 plus 7, that is equal to 10. But 10 is a 2-digit number, so you need to regroup it. Just write 0 below and just carry 1 at the top of this number 6. Next, 1 plus 6, that is equal to 7. Since our final answer has more than 3 digits, let's put a comma between this number 8 and this number 9. Therefore, 9,581 times 74 is equal to 708,994. I hope that's clear. Anyway, please support me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube so that you are always updated with my new videos. Also, please like, comment, and share this video. If you truly understand this lesson, you can try to answer this one. You can type your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.